Hey guys, today I thought I'd take you through my process of turning a tired old lens into something that could be as good as a new lens, and I'll show you the process that I went about doing that. Okay, so what I'm using is an automotive cutting compound, and I'll follow that up with a automotive polishing compound. I'll be using this buff pad here on this die grinder, and I'll show you how I go about it. Try not to get too much because it'll go everywhere. Put the good one away. And then basically it's just a matter of getting it on there. Just some of the waste. You try not to go too fast or you end up burning it. Now that we've got it in pretty good condition with no scratches showing through, we'll hit it with a polishing compound just to finish it off. Okay, so that's my process in rejuvenating old lenses back up to an original new condition. Hopefully you got something out of this. If you did, let us know, leave a comment. Stay tuned for the next episode and I'll show you how to repair stainless. Hit subscribe and thanks for watching, guys.